Don't worry if you find yourself in a sticky situations around a dark back alley. With these gadgets, you will surely be secured and find yourself in a safer position. We have rounded up the finest of all. Number 8. Sabre 3-in-1 Defense Spray. You can compromise on anything, but we shouldn't take it leniently, because you never know when you will encounter an attacker. Sabre 3-in-1 Spray with Quick Release Keychain is a life-changing tool. It can save your life from sticky situations, providing you a peace of mind. This self-defense tool is not your usual pepper spray. Yes, it's much more than that. It has a CS tear gas UV marking dye that will help police identify the suspect. With 10 feet range and 5 times more burst than our competitors, you don't even need to be in close range of the attacker. The keychain grip ensures that you are pointing at the right direction. This self-defense tool is also available in different colors. With all these features combined, this is on top of our list on self-defense tools that can save your life. Number 7. Gerber Impromptu Tactical Pen. Sounds like a ridiculous joke, right? A pen as a self-defense tool? Indeed funny. But that's the thing about this pen. Your opponent may also get fooled by the appearance of this tool. However, it is more powerful than you think. The core feature is an integrated glass-breaking tip, so there is no need to wait for help. You only need this tool to help yourself out of threatening situations. With all-weather Write in Rain ink cartridge in this pen, you can take notes even in heavy rain. It is machined from Cerakote coated steel body, which is corrosion resistant. So, this little writing tool can kill your writing block and protect you as well. What else can fit into this 2-in-1 pen? Sounds as if it's straight out of an action movie. Number 6. Cardsharp 2 Credit Card Folding Safety Knife. Self-defense gadgets are improving and becoming more lightweight. Easy-to-handle tools are more effective in real life. Do you agree? Ian Sinclair has a perfect gadget for this purpose, which will slot nicely in your wallet. This super elegant design that looks like a credit card can unfold itself into an ultra-thin 3-inch knife. Don't worry! It has a child-proof safety lock which prevents accidental opening, and the ultra-strengthened rivet secures the blade to the body. Number 5. Diablo II Stun Gun Flashlight. You don't need to scream to get help from people, because the concealed stun prongs of Diablo II Stun Gun Flashlight will also trigger a loud electric zapping noise. According to reviewers, this is an awesome self-defense gadget. When deployed, it won't harm the attacker severely, but it will allow you sufficient time to run away. Especially in pitch dark, it can illuminate alleys and rooms. Night walks will be much safer knowing guard dog security has got your back. It comes with lifetime warranty, which makes it hot favorite self-defense tool. Number 4. Zap Blast Knuckle Stun Gun. At first glance, they may look like simple rings or jewelry, but it has the super strength to zap your attacker to another dimension. In small size, you will get around 950,000 volts. So, if you care about yourself and your loved one's safeties, then this is a must-have self-defense tool. 2 lithium batteries will last for 2 years. The entire process is easy to use and secure. Its design is slick and comes with a convenient carrying case. Number 3. Monkey Fist Self-Defense Keychain. Electrical self-defense gadgets are really good. But what happens when they run out of batteries? We can pause time and charge the batteries. That's why we have included the Monkey Fist keychain in this list. This seemingly harmless and simple-looking keychain can deter your attacker to great extent. A 1-inch steel ball of this keychain is disguised beautifully with military-grade 550 paracord rope. This can give the illusions that you don't have any weapons. So, you can safely say that nobody's gonna know about your little protector. Number 2. Monkey Fist Survival Bracelet. You can carry all the tools while going hiking. It can increase the weight of your backpack. But what if you can carry basic self-defense tools on your wrist? That's exactly what this tool is capable of. It is known as 5-in-1 Bracelet. It contains an emergency whistle and a heavy-duty paracord rope, a waterproof compass so that you won't get lost for directions, a fire starter to keep you warm, and an emergency knife that will come in handy. This survival tool will defend you from the wild. With many sizes and colors to choose from, you are guaranteed to find your perfect fit. Number 1. Taser Pulse Plus. Taser Pulse works with Noonlight mobile applications. All you need to do is connect it with the app. When you trigger Taser Pulse in an emergency situations, it will automatically active and notify emergency services, sharing your real-time GPS location. Taser Pulse Plus is capable of dispatch from a distance of 15 feet or less, locking up the muscle of the attacker during a 30-second cycle, giving you plenty of time to find safety. Subscribe